Hey y'all, this so blessed. What y'all doing? Nothing. Come ride with me to the store real quick. Okay? It ain't gonna take but a minute. Then we're gonna go on back to the house and I'm gonna show y'all what we got. Y'all ready? Okay, here we are. I know y'all knew we was going to a plant store. Well, we at the nursery. Look at all these different peppers they got, y'all. If you like peppers, they got them. They definitely got peppers today. I remember the last time. I ain't gonna tell y'all which nursery I'm in, because I ain't, I can't do it. But look at them. They 5 for $14. Okay? Not too bad. Not too bad. But these flowers, they look really good. They're so pretty. Look at that. 10 for $18. Now that's a good deal if you like annuals. I ain't too much into the annuals. Y'all know that already about me. But these are pretty. Come on, y'all, let's go over here and check out these herbs. Now, if you pick up something, you're going to pay for it. Don't wait till I get to the counter and put it on the counter and try to get me to pay for it now. Is you got your money? Did you get in the car with your money? Did you bring your money with you? Then you can get something. If you didn't, you're going to have to wait till next time when you bring your money. Now, I'm not seeing nothing I want just yet. Oh, wait a minute. Here go the mint. This is what I'm looking at right here. I need to add to my collection, y'all. Ooh, they got some stuff I don't have. Okay, so let's check that out. Yeah, we're going to check out the mint, see what we don't have, snatch that up, and get ourselves up out of here, okay? Okay, y'all, let's go. That was quick. We back at the house. Hocus pocus. Yes, we are here, y'all. It is scorching hot out here. But I already up planted those new ones that I got. Look at my lemon balm. Lemon bombing, y'all. I grew this from seed. Yes, they doing good. They doing good. Now I water these from the bottom. That's why they in these mushroom trays. They are doing quite well. And thinking about seeds, I need to do something with this. This is another project for another day. These are seeds from collard greens that bolted. So we are going to take care of those as well, but not today. Now, some of these I already had, so we're just adding to the collection. You know, probably seen the spearmint. Had that for a while. The mojito, had for a while. Now this one right here, this is kind of new, but you probably hadn't seen it. It's the Kentucky Colonial Mint. That's a sweet spearmint variety. And then ginger mint, I had that for a while already. And then chocolate mint is kind of new. I got this because of the community tab poll that I did. A lot of people were saying that chocolate mint was their favorite. Had the pineapple mint for a while. Now this is new. I picked this up at the nursery today. Y'all was with me. Y'all seen me? Grapefruit mint, the orange mint, and also the apple mint I picked up from the nursery too. Yes, it's a itty bitty little thing. Look at her. But it's gonna grow, y'all. Give her a chance. You know, mint, it will start growing, and once it start, you can't stop it. It is invasive, and it will take over whatever container you put it in. Now these containers are not that big because I use my mint a lot. Okay, so I don't intend for it to grow too much over the pot, but if it does, that's a good thing for me because I actually use it. But look at her, she's so cute. I can't wait. I can't wait to taste that one because that's new to me. Y'all see my little variety here? You see my collection of mint? I got some kale up there, but those are soon coming off that top rack because I'm going to put my herbs, my savory herbs up there. Y'all haven't seen them yet. I'm going to show y'all. Now look at this. Now I want to encourage y'all. I done told y'all, regrow that celery you get from the grocery store, honey, because you can. And you're not just getting leaves. You're getting putty stalks, honey. Look at, you see these stalks? Let me take that out of there. That's done gone bad, probably because it was too close to the soil. The water got it. But see these stalks? Not just leaves, honey. Okay? But I'm going to put that in some tuna fish this weekend. Yes, honey. I'm making use of that. This is some lemongrass. Y'all know about the lemongrass? These are pineapple tomatoes. They starting to try to do something. We going to see. We going to see. But I got them in the pot here with the lemongrass, because lemongrass, I don't know if y'all know, it deters aphids and it deters mosquitoes too. But we got to get her a little trim because I've been bumping around her, and yeah, dragging this pot all around this deck trying to find the best spot for it. But we're gonna give it a little trim. Now you got to be careful with this lemongrass because it is a grass and the blaze will cut your hand. Okay, so put your gloves on, honey. Put your gloves on. You don't be walking around looking black and blue and cuts and scrapes and stuff all over your pretty little hands. Go and put them gloves on. We're gonna give her a little trim, and right where they have like a little natural bend or rip or something, we're just gonna trim up a little bit. Take them off, and then we're gonna use that. We're not throwing that away. Now it's gonna be a while before we use it because we're gonna dry it out and use that as a tea as well. And honey, that is delicious. So let's go and give her a trim. I got a little sharp little knife here. Scissors probably would work better, faster, but hey, I'm using what's right here in my hand is what I'm using. Okay. We also gonna snip off them little dead ends that you see dragging around on the floor, okay, on the deck or whatever you want to call it. We're gonna take them off too and throw them away. But these little fresh pieces here that's just got like a little rip or something on it that's making it bend over like that, we're gonna take that and we're gonna use that, honey. Okay. I sure wish y'all could smell this. This lemongrass is really smelling delicious. You hear me? If you don't have lemongrass, I encourage you to get you some, okay? It will die back if you're in a cold climate area. It will die back, but it'll come back too. So that's another investment, okay? And it will spread, and you'll have so much lemongrass you won't know what to do with it, okay? But it's an investment too. So go on and spend you a couple of dollars and get you some lemongrass too. It's good and it smells good and it's good for you too, okay? Look at that, just dangling, just begging to be cut and used. I'm definitely gonna use it too. We ain't letting that go to waste, honey. We will not let a blade of it go to waste. Now you can definitely make a tea out of this, but this is also used in culinary purposes. Yes, you can use this to cook with y'all. Asian cuisines is known for the lemongrass dishes. You can also use this in medicinal uses. It's anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, anti-fungal. Yeah, you can get many uses out of your lemongrass, and you will soon have plenty of it, okay? Okay, so now speaking of culinary purposes, the stalk part, that's really what I want, but these got to get thicker. Okay, the leaves have flavor, but the stalk has a lot of flavor. Okay, so leaves, that's good. I'm gonna use that for tea. Stalk, cooking. Okay, but that's got to get way thicker than that for me. Okay, so yeah. There she is, y'all. Lemongrass. And I got that just bushed up around, and it's gonna get bushy around these pineapple tomatoes plant. Now these tomatoes will come and go. But I'm gonna still have my lemongrass in this pot. You can bring your lemongrass inside during the winter if you live in a cold climate. Yes, you can. And you can replant this and you can propagate it. Wait till them stalks get a little bit bigger and the roots get a little bit bigger, and you can propagate your lemongrass and have more and more and more lemongrass. Okay. Now I'm just gathering these up together, making sure I trim all the dead ends off it. And then I'm going to tie it together, and I'm just going to throw it on my rack inside and let it dry out. And then once it dry out, I'll come back and just clip them into little, smaller pieces. And I'm going to use that to make me some tea. Now, if these were longer, I would twirl them around and make like a little ring with them, a little round ring with them, and just throw that in my pot or in my cup to make tea. But since these aren't that long, I'm just going to tie them together and put them up on the rack and let them dry out. Since I'm out here, I might as well pick up lunch, right? Y'all see that lettuce growing out of this Dollar Tree stackable? Yes, honey, they looking delicious, and it's about time to go ahead and cut these off and make use of them. I'm cutting just above the soil level, right? And I'm show you how clean that come out. You still got to rinse off your greens, okay? But yeah, you ain't got no dirt on them. That's all I'm trying to say. That looks like lunch to me. And just add something to that and some dressing, and that's a quick little lunch right there. Okay, now that piece right there can go in the trash. But yeah, it's time to plant something else in that little spot. Yep, there we go. That's lunch. Y'all go ahead and grow something here. Look at how delicious that look. I just add me some sliced up tomato on the side there. I'm gonna put me a little vinaigrette on there, raspberry walnut vinaigrette, and that's my lunch. What y'all growing? Put some seeds in the dirt, y'all. You see it? Deliciousness. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video.